Hi everyone, my name is Miss Nicole. I'm a children's librarian from the Central Library. This week we're going to be making a kaleidoscope out of supplies that we can find at home. The main thing that we're going to need for this craft is an empty Pringles container. Bonus points, you also get to eat all of the Pringles. Now the first thing that we're going to do for this craft is we need an adult to help us punch a hole in the bottom tin part of our Pringles container. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use the supplies that I have on hand, which is this little tiny awl, A-W-L it's called. You can also use something like a pen or anything sharp, like a nail or something. And I'm just going to use my tape dispenser because I don't have a hammer on hand. And I'm going to hammer in a tiny hole into the bottom of my Pringles can. You can see it right there. We can go ahead and set that aside. And I want you to find anything shiny that you have at home. We've got, on this one, we've got some gems. We've got some sequins. On the other side, we've got some glitter. And we've layered on top some see-through paper as well. Now you want to make sure that you can stick things on either side of the lid. Make sure that you can still see through it. I added some little foil shapes to mine as well, but they're hard to see through, so that's going to take into account what we're looking at. And then all we do is pop, once the glue dries on both sides, we want to pop the lid on the container and look through this little hole up into the light. It's best if you do it outside, and you can take a look and see exactly what kind of kaleidoscope we've made. Get creative with this. Use whatever kind of objects you have around the house. Thanks, and we'll see you again soon.